It's been a long time since the idea was conceptualized to today. The film is releasing tomorrow here in Dubai. So it's been an exciting journey. It's 2008 had a very important film in my career, which was the original Jannat. I'm very close to that film for a lot of emotional reasons also. There was a major lull in my career, and Kunal had come to me with a script which dealt with the world of cricket match fixing, which was the first in Bollywood. And it was at the same time a great love story and in the true sense a Bollywood potboiler. And that was a huge hit in 2008, and it gave that new lease of life to my career. We wanted to take the franchise ahead, and we felt that this subject that dealt with illegal gun trade, arms and ammunition in the country, there's no film that's really explored this. No subject that's really gone to the depths and done research. And according to me, I think it's even more intriguing, even more interesting than the world of match fixing. And of course, a beautiful love story. We shot this film extensively in Delhi. And it's just been great fun, and finally it's releasing. Very happy, very excited, a little nervous, but we're very optimistic. This is like WhatsApp said, I could hear him said this is the best film from Vishesh Films, my best film, and probably the best character I've played. And I hope, like WhatsApp says, probably you won't get a character like that again, not very soon at least. Sonodili KKC is a guy who defines, there's a certain yearning that all of us have, that we all want to do something extraordinary with our lives. So here's an ordinary guy who comes from the streets and does something extraordinary in his life. And at the same time, the film has a huge emotional and entertainment quotient. I would also yearn to do something, but yes, it's been very profitable for me. What has happened in the past decade with films and with my films is that what's refreshing is that there isn't just good and bad now. There are very real characters, there are flawed characters, something we can all connect to. I think we all have a dark side in us, and somewhere these films make you connect to the characters because it's about making choices and the consequences of those. Make a film which has good people with no conflict, and I assure you that film will not do well. So I personally like to do films that have conflict, and playing a character that has that arc of a guy who is a KKC, who has this particular worldview, who is unethical, but then there is something that he does which is a kind of redemption for the character.